Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to the daily current affairs quiz discussion where I frame top 5 current affairs questions from the Hindu newspaper. Guys, this initiative is going to play a very important role in your prelim selection because I have analyzed a lot of questions directly come from the Hindu newspaper, and if you follow this initiative then you will be able to have a command over current affairs. So guys, let us start. The very first question I have framed, let us read the question. USA has agreed to withdraw troops from Niger amid increasing Russian footprint in which of the following regions of Africa? So, guys, recently America has decided to pull out its troop from Niger. So, why has America decided? Because the influence of Russia in one of the regions, which is the Sahel region, because of which America is pulling out of Niger. Niger belongs to Sahel region. Okay, so a lot of questions in UPSC has already come. Okay, region specific question. So in Africa, I am giving you an assignment. Please prepare where is Horn of Africa. Please prepare where is Maghreb and where is this region of Hejaz. Okay, guys, you can see here US troops draws up plans to withdraw from Niger. You can see another news, Russia's growing footprint in Africa's Sahel region. You can see Sahel region, Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Chad, Sudan, Eritrea. This entire region is called Sahel region. Sahel region is between, you can see Sahara, okay, between Sahara and the equatorial forest. This is called the Sahel region. Okay, this has Sudan type of climate. Sudan type of climate. I have framed one more question on this topic. This region is very, very important for the prelims examination, Sahel region. You can see this question, we have given you Sahel region. So answer is option D. Okay, you can see Niger. Niger is somewhere here. Okay, another question I have framed, in which of the following groups are all five members of G5 Sahel? So guys, G5 Sahel was a kind of a security alliance made by five countries of the Sahel region. You can see Egypt is not in the Sahel region. We can remove this option. Then you can see here again, which is, let us see this guys, Sudan. Okay, so you can see here Burkina Faso, Chad, Mali, Mauritania, and Niger. You can see this. So we have this Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Ni and Chad. Okay, so the answer to this question will be what? Okay, Ethiopia, this is also gone. So we are left with these two countries. We are left with these two countries. In these two countries, you can see here, the answer will be option B because option B has Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is a member of, Burkina Faso is a member of, you can see here, Burkina Faso is a member of this Sahel 5. So Sahel 5 is made up of Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, and Chad. You can see here, and Mauritania. So Mauritania, Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger, and Chad. These are the countries which are part of, you can see, Sahel 5. So Burkina Faso, Chad, Mali, Mauritania, Niger. So answer is option B. Answer is option B. Let us see another question, guys. AUKUS, often in news, is a trilateral security pact between Australia, UK, and USA. Trilateral security pact between Australia, India, and USA. Trilateral security pact between Japan, India, and USA. Trade agreement between India, US, and Australia. So the answer is trilateral security pact between Australia, UK, and US. Guys, why I have framed this question? Let me give you the context. So guys, you can see here, Chinese foreign minister has visited Papua New Guinea. Okay, so in this context, China is now growing its presence in the Pacific island. In the Pacific island, guys, Pacific island, although they are small islands, but they play a very important role from the perspective of geostrategic. From the perspective of geostrategic, because they are located at a geostrategic crossroad, and this will prove very vital if there is a fight over Taiwan. If there is a fight over Taiwan, so what America and UK is doing is trying to basically empower Australia by giving nuke submarines so that in case of China becoming more belligerent, they can counter China. They can counter China. Very, very important. Guys, this year in the prelims examination, let me tell you, question will definitely come from the Pacific Islands. Pacific Islands. Please prepare Pacific Islands. Okay. In the last class, I think in the last few weeks, we have also discussed other countries, okay, from this place. Okay, for example, Tonga, Solomon Island. Okay, all these are in news. So a lot of islands, Pacific islands are in news. So you will expect a question. You can expect a question from this topic. Okay, so I am asking you, please do a map work in our map classes, in our weekly map classes. If you are attending those weekly map classes, I have discussed the entire Pacific Islands in depth. Please refer that. Very, very important. This question is going to come. So, AUKUS, you can see. Next question, let us read the next question. Consider the following regarding extended producer responsibility. Extended producer responsibility aims to shift responsibility of waste management from consumers to producers of goods. Yes. EPR programs are designed to promote sustainable product and packaging management throughout the life of cycle of the product. This is also yes. EPR operates on the principle of polluters pay. Yes. India is the only country in the world to provide statutory EPR. No, it is not the only country. So option statement 4 is incorrect. So we get only 3. We get only 3. You can see there was today one article in one of the news portal about the status of extended producer responsibility globally. So guys, EU is one of the regions where they have enforced EPR very early. Okay, so India is not the only country. Many developed countries, particularly in Europe, they have already implemented EPR. Okay, guys. Next, let us read this question, guys. With reference to the Plastic Waste Management Rules 2021, consider the following. So first, I'll give you the context in which I have framed this question. You can see today there was one article in the Hindu newspaper about single-use plastic. This is very important. I have been predicting this single-use plastic, although UPSC has not asked this question in 2022, not in 2023. This year, there is a high chance UPSC may ask question from single-use plastic. So first of all, you must know what is a single-use plastic. Single-use plastic are those plastic which we use and throw. Okay, single use. Okay, single use. So government of India has come out with a rule. You can plastic management rules 2021, and in that rule they have banned 19 single-use plastics. 19 single-use plastics. Which are these? So let me just give you. So you can see here plastic cups, spoons, earbuds, decorative thermocol, wrapping and packaging films used to cover sweet boxes, cigarette packets, plastic cutlery. Okay, like this, they have banned 19 commodities, 19 commodities, but they have not banned plastic bottles even less than 200 millimeter and multi-layered packaging boxes like milk cartoon. They have not banned these two items. So you can get questions on that. Let us see the question, guys. It is aimed at prohibiting manufacture, import, stocking, distribution, sale, use of single-use plastics which have low utility and high littering potential. Yes. Under this, no plastic bags thinner than 200 microns is allowed. This is not correct, guys. This is not 200 micron. This is less than that. The Central Pollution Control Board is responsible to monitor the ban. Yes, this is correct. So we get the answer only two correct. So we get the answer option B. So guys, please do prepare single-use plastic. Very, very important, guys. So you can see how I have framed questions on EPR, then how I have framed questions from the international relations, Okay, so today two, three questions on international relations, particularly the Sahel region. Please do prepare. So I'm giving you an assignment. Okay, which which place which is shared by these three countries? Okay, Mali, Burkina Faso and Niger, which was in news. Okay, this place is shared by these three countries. This was in news. What is the name of this place? Please share in the comment box. Guys, please do support this initiative. This initiative is very, very useful for your prelims examination. Please subscribe this channel and share this channel with your friends who are preparing for the UPSC prelims examination. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.